Thanks for taking a couple of minutes to learn about LinkedIn Connection Engine. My name's Terry Ladd, and I'm really excited to tell you about the most successful program I've ever seen to help contractors grow their commercial lead flow. If you're like most contractors who want to grow their businesses, you know commercial lead growth is critical to success. But traditionally, commercial lead flow is based on relationships with property managers, facility managers, operation managers, etc. And traditionally, those relationships take a long time to build. It just takes forever to grow a business this way. Studies show that in most instances, no more than 5% of your network has a need for your services right this minute. And on average, you likely have 300 people or so in your network. But look how things change when you get connected with all the key decision makers in your market. Instead of 15 potential customers, you're looking at 125. So the obvious question is, how do you expand your network exponentially in the near term rather than taking decades to do it? Well, let me introduce you to a game-changing approach, LinkedIn Connection Engine. So what is LinkedIn Connection Engine? It's a proven method to quickly put you in contact with hundreds of new decision makers every month. Then it nurtures those relationships for you and keeps you top of mind with these key decision makers so that you do get the call when they finally have a need for your services. And before you know it, you're backed up with leads and are cherry picking the best ones. A good problem to have, right? First, you get a profile reboot. We turn your online resume into a one-page sales sheet that engages potential customers. Second, every month you get connected with 200, 300, 400 new key decision makers for your industry and location. And third, you're kept top of mind with those decision makers using a drip messaging campaign. Let's take a little deeper look at each of these. Your LinkedIn profile should be a sales piece focused on your potential customers, not an online resume. With our profile reboot, you get a professional banner with your logo and a tracked phone line. We write a custom title and headline that tells visitors the value you deliver, not the seat you occupy. And we write a summary that explains your knowledge of customer pain points, your solution, and a soft call to action. Next, describe your ideal customer to us, and we'll create a custom list of those people. Then we systematically invite them to connect with you, with the result being 250 or 350 new connections per month with the decision makers who matter. Now the trick is to stay top of mind so you do get the call when the customer is ready to buy. And the best way to do that is with an automated drip messaging campaign. With a new message every 3 to 4 weeks, you remain fresh in their minds and are much more likely to get the call. I'm sure you've heard about people making money with LinkedIn, but you probably didn't know how to get started. Or you tried to figure it out yourself and quickly realized you simply don't have the time. That's why we designed LinkedIn Connection Engine as a turnkey, done-for-you service. We take care of everything. All you have to do is take up the reins when a potential customer raises their hands, wants more information, or wants you to bid on their project. So I've laid it all out for you. Now you need to ask yourself 3 questions. Are you a contractor looking to grow quickly? Do you want that growth to come from commercial work? Are you short on time and need a turnkey solution? If you answered yes to all 3, LinkedIn Connection Engine is the only tool that can get you where you want to go. So fill out the form now, and I'll be in touch ASAP to discuss the details. Thanks for listening.